Drug detoxification medical programs. Drug use and abuse is a major problem in the borders of the United States. There are many people who are addicted to prescription drugs, marijuana, cocaine, crack cocaine, methamphetamine, ecstasy, heroin, along with pretty much any other illegal drug or substance you can think of. Fortunately, there are drug detoxification centers located around the United States in order for these people to get help. Also, if you are reading this, then chances are that you or someone you know does have a drug problem. Before helping someone admit themselves to a drug therapy and rehab center, though, you may just want to consider all the benefits of a drug detoxification program. Here are some reasons why you should be involved in one and what these programs contain. Drug detoxification works. The main reason that drug detoxification centers around the country are so popular is because they work. Of course, admitting yourself to one of these centers is not mandatory, but takes great courage to admit that you have a problem. Fortunately, though, once you do admit that you have a problem and acknowledge that drugs are a major problem in your life, only then can you begin to heal and start the detoxification process. What they offer. Popular drug detoxification centers around the United States offer a full line of services to those who are seeking help from the drugs that they have made their world. The first type of service that they will have patients undergo usually is withdrawal. There will definitely be a medical professional who will administer the withdrawal program, and this is the first step into the drug detox program. Everyone knows that withdrawal from drugs, legal or illegal, can have huge consequences. One of the major problems that people face when trying to rid themselves through the withdrawal process is the feelings, physical and emotional, that they feel during the process. Many of these feelings manifest themselves through the night also, which is why a medical professional will help the patient around the clock. Counseling services. Another service that drug detoxification centers usually offer and usually require of their patients is that they undergo counseling sessions. These counseling sessions are usually administered by a professional psychologist, and they are either group therapy sessions or individualized. Chances are that the patients who come to the drug rehab centers will need a little bit of both types of therapy, and both will definitely be offered. Another kind of service that these centers typically offer is career assessment and help. Patients usually do need some sort of path to follow after they leave, which is why this service is offered. When admitting yourself to a drug detoxification center, one must realize that they are usually there to stay until they get better and can leave their dependency of drugs. Withdrawing from illegal drugs is a hard road to follow, but if one successfully overcomes illegal drugs, then they will be headed down a more positive road in the future.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.